Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I heard them say it.
Why? Oh.
They probably said something else like Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
We're going to Vancouver.
No, we're not going to Vancouver.
And then to Hawaii.
Uh-huh. There we go. We don't go to Vancouver.
And then we go to Maui.
Uh-huh.
Yay. We're in Maui. That's timely. And we're going to go find Brekkie. Breakfast burrito and bagel with cream cheese, but toasted.
My face must be so huge.
Your face is always huge. And that's the line.
To the other breakfast place, which we obviously did not want to go to because of that.
And then we ended up here.
Well, at least on our way to PPY Trail, we're just gonna stop by.
What is PPY Trail?
It's a hiking trail that apparently has nice views.
Spell it.
PIPIWAI. It sounds like a. Why does this sound like a rhyme?
I'm trying to figure out where we are. Where are we?
We're on the road to Hana.
Oh, right. but look at the pretty view.
Oh, don't even joke about that. Oh my god. I mean, it did. I read the description in the free guidebook. It said 167 hairpins.
We're still
On the road to Hana. No, okay.
Why are you so tall? I can get you in a shot. You're not in my shot. I'm gonna be black when we get back.
Oh, is that ours? Is that Kihei?
Yeah, because that's where the windmills are.
Oh, yeah.
And then I think that one is the...
Took us an hour to get that
Where's
far.
that one?
I don't know. That's Kihei over there, so it
Is
goes...
that not the island that you were debating whether or not to go to the...
Oh, Lanai? I think maybe Lanai is that one.
Either that one or that one.
Where's the crater?
Is it this is the tiny thing here?
No. Oh, you may be right. Woo. We're like on the verge of death and you're like vlogging right now.
Someone has to, otherwise we won't remember that we were... What if we were that car that we saw that
Two cars.
the two cars that just sit there and just look like they're never gonna come out ever again.
Or that one.
It's interesting how the cloud just kind of sits there. Pure tourist. It looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. This is our car rental. It's a Nissan Rogue. Windy roads and really tiny bridges. And Mr. Tourist.
Another one there. Don't cross the road. Don't cross the road. Yeah.
It's 2 miles to get to the Waimoku Falls, which is the end of the trail. How long does it take to walk 2 miles?
I don't know, actually. I wouldn't know.
falls? Do you hear falls?
I do. How close are we?
Oh, it goes into Bamboo Grove. So black rocks.
Kind of like that. The soil is also wet.
Okay. Good thing I have boots. Okay, no, I get the slippy.
Yeah.
Actually, I think Manoa Falls was like that too.
It's
Oh.
28 miles.
Okay, so we're almost there. It's like Whiteman Park. Oh, except for steep stairs. At least these aren't black rocks. Them clamping each other?
Yeah.
Honey, we could feed you.
No.
No one gets that joke. It's hot. Tell them it's hot. It's hot. So I'm in the shade. I think we're almost there to Manoa Falls. No, I'm scared. What is this one called? What is this falls called? We don't remember the name of this falls. Manoa Falls. I think this is it. We did it in Manoa Falls.
Yeah.
Why do you keep laughing at me? Look back. Are you in the shot?
No, I'm not.
Wait, are you happy?
Yeah.
We made it in one piece after 3 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours. Oh, I thought you were gonna be in my shot with me, but you decided to do that too. And then we stopped because someone got hungry.
You said you were hungry too.
I was really thirsty, and that's why I got that.
You're always thirsty.
And then we got food from that guy.
That guy is a woman.
Oh, the food truck. When I say the guy, there's a food truck. Food trucks are male, okay? The people in it are not.
What?
You got a brisket banh mi.
Yeah.
And what that? Oh.
I think it's just a dipping sauce.
Oh, okay.
It's like a Philly cheesesteak style.
Okay. You're gonna wanna, put your phone on that. Actually, that kind of looks Studio Ghibli-esque.
A lot of this place does.
The forest kind of like...
About Princess Mononoke you thinking about?
No, I'm thinking like that first scene when the dad is stupid and drives into the field thing. finally found a beach that we could kind of go on.
Pretty much.
They hurt. Shells hurt.